So, my dear friends, in today's digital and AI-driven world, I believe that the greatest lie and the greatest strength of the devil is to make young people think that he does not exist, it does not exist. Alam niyo po, maraming mga kabataan na nagsasabi, gawa-gawa lang ang mga demonyo, gawa-gawa lang ang mga diablo, this thing of possession, these are all just legends and these are all just a joke. No, these are all medieval fabrications. But take note, during this talk, I will share with you personal encounters, not really all first-hand encounters that will prove what the Bible said is true. Saint Paul reminded the Ephesians, we do not wrestle against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the cosmic powers of this present darkness, against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly places. That's why the first Pope, dear brothers and sisters, told us, discipline yourselves. Keep alert.